But that's not how you're supposed to do it.
Hey, y'all had these? Oh.
This is my little brother. How does it taste?
Like peanut butter.
Get out of here, you're fired. Anyway. I hate to be so basic on my example, but this literally tastes like some peanut butter pudding. This is good though.
Right here, it's delicious. Believe me.
Stop, man. Damn. It's like a super soft melted Reese's cup. That's
good.
Literally what these taste like, and they are. Shout out to Pops. You're not really doing nothing to step outside of the realm of your normal puddings. You get what I'm saying? But they are delicious. Shout out to Simone. You and Rico go be like.